DIY, Customizing Your Denim Jacket. Title: DIY, Customizing Your Denim Jacket. Introduction. Denim jackets have been a staple in fashion for decades, offering a timeless and versatile style that can be easily customized to fit your individual personality. Instead of settling for a generic store-bought jacket, why not add a personal touch to your favorite denim piece? In this article, we will guide you through various creative ways to customize your denim jacket, allowing you to create a unique and one-of-a-kind piece that showcases your individuality. Section 1: Preparing your denim jacket. Before diving into the exciting world of customization, it's essential to prepare your denim jacket. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth and successful DIY project. 1. Choosing the right jacket. Select a denim jacket that fits you well and has a plain front and back, providing ample space for customization. 2. Washing and ironing. Clean your jacket according to the manufacturer's instructions to ensure a fresh canvas for customization. Ironing the jacket will remove any wrinkles and creases that may interfere with your designs. Section 2: Painting and embellishing. One of the most popular ways to customize a denim jacket is through painting and embellishment. Let your creativity flow with these techniques. 1. Fabric paint. Using fabric paints, create unique patterns, designs, or images on your jacket. From floral motifs to abstract art, the possibilities are endless. Ensure to use fabric-friendly paints and protect your work area appropriately. 2. Stenciling. Stenciling allows for precise and repeatable designs. Choose a stencil that matches your style, secure it on the desired area of the jacket, and carefully apply fabric paint for a clean and defined design. 3. Patchwork. Add patches to your denim jacket for a trendy and stylish look. Explore a wide range of patches, from embroidered flowers to band logos, and arrange them on your jacket to create a visually striking piece. Section 3: Embroidery and hand stitching. Embroidery and hand stitching can elevate your denim jacket's customization, adding a touch of intricacy and texture. Here's how to incorporate these techniques into your design. 1. Embroidery. Use embroidery threads and needles to create beautiful designs on your jacket. From delicate flowers to bold statements, embroidery allows for endless customization possibilities. Consider using different stitch types, like satin stitch or backstitch, to add depth and dimension to your designs. 2. Hand stitching. Experiment with hand stitching techniques like cross-stitch or running stitch to embellish your denim jacket. You can add beads, sequins, or small trinkets to enhance the overall aesthetic. Section 4: Distressing and dyeing. To achieve a vintage or edgy look, distressing and dyeing techniques can transform your denim jacket into a fashion-forward statement piece. 1. Distressing. Use sandpaper, scissors, or even a cheese grater to create distressed areas on your denim jacket. This technique adds a worn and weathered look, giving your jacket a unique character. 2. Bleaching and dyeing. Try bleaching or dyeing your jacket to achieve a different color or create a faded effect. Follow the instructions on the bleach or dye package carefully, and test it on a small area before applying it to the entire garment. Section 5: Personalization and accessories. Adding personal touches and accessories can make your denim jacket truly yours. Consider the following customization ideas. 1. Monogramming. Embroider or paint your initials or favorite symbol onto your jacket for a personalized touch. 2. Pins and patches. Decorate your jacket with enamel pins or sew-on patches that reflect your interests, hobbies, or favorite bands. 3. Buttons and studs. Replace the existing buttons with unique and eye-catching ones or add metal studs for an edgy aesthetic. Section 6. Final touches and care tips. Before showcasing your newly customized denim jacket to the world, make sure to give it some final touches and learn how to care for your masterpiece. 1. Final touches. Take a step back and evaluate your denim jacket's overall look. Make any necessary adjustments or additions to ensure that it meets your vision. This could include adding extra embellishments, touching up paint or embroidery, or even distressing further if desired. 2. Sealing paint and embroidery. To protect your painted designs and embroidered motifs, consider using fabric sealant. This will help prevent fading, smudging, or fraying over time, ensuring that your customization lasts. 3. Washing and care. Keep your customized denim jacket looking fresh and vibrant by following proper washing and care instructions. Turn your jacket inside out before washing on a gentle cycle with cold water to preserve the colors and designs. Avoid using harsh detergents or bleach that could damage the customization. Hang or lay flat to dry to avoid stretching or distorting the jacket's shape. 4. Storage. When not in use, store your custom denim jacket in a cool, dry place to prevent any damage or discoloration. Avoid hanging it in direct sunlight, as prolonged exposure can cause fading. 5. Maintenance and repairs. Over time, your customized denim jacket may require maintenance or repairs. Keep extra patches, buttons, and thread handy for any necessary touch-ups. If any seams come undone or buttons loosen, address them promptly to maintain the integrity of your denim jacket. Title: DIY, Customizing Your Denim Jacket. Introduction.